Cellular structures of living things are composed of large molecules with many atoms. In living things, elements combine to form chemical compounds. The molecules that govern and control this association in living structure are nucleic acids. In living things, compounds are usually formed by bonding elements such as oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen to the carbon element. These compounds are mostly organic compounds. The most important organic compounds are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and nucleic compounds such as carbon-free water and salt are called inorganic compounds. The organism breaks up the food it receives from the outside to the simplest structural units. For example, starch disintegrates into glucose. Some get energy. On the other hand, chemical compounds are reformed upon the request of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Organic molecules contain a carbon skeleton, carbons bonded to other carbons. Have only covalent bonds. Typically are quite large. Contain only carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Inorganic molecules do not usually have carbon. Can contain many different elements. Carbohydrates. It is the primary consumption material of human and animal organism and it is an important energy source. The smallest structural unit of carbohydrates is glucose. If sufficient carbohydrates are not taken into the body compensates for this deficiency by converting proteins into glucose. Lipids. Oils are heat and energy sources, provides physical protection of vessels, nerves and organs. It provides storage of vitamins A and B and proteins. The components of the oils are fatty acid and glycerin. Oils are used as energizing and building material in the cell. However, carbohydrates and then fats are used as energizers, protects living organisms against impacts and cold. Proteins. Proteins play a role in the growth and development of living organisms. In addition, nitrogen is present in the structure. Living in protein deficiency cannot develop. The basic structural unit of proteins is amino acids. Vitamins. Acts as an editor in the living. It is not digested. It should be taken together with other organic molecules for a healthy life. A, D, E, K. Vitamins dissolve in fat, others dissolve in water. Vitamins are usually taken from our bodies with nutrients. It provides transportation of all substances and nutrients in the body. Water is necessary for digestion. Because it is an important solvent. It provides the removal of metabolic residues from the intestine and kidneys. Adjusts body temperature. Minerals, supplied from daily foods. It penetrates into the blood without being digested and acts as a regulator. Minerals are effective in repairing broken bones and closing body wounds. It participates in the structure of vitamins, hormones and enzymes. Minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, iron, magnesium, fluorine, chlorine are important for living. In children with calcium deficiency and vitamin D deficiency, bone disease called rachitism occurs. Iodine deficiency causes goiter disease. Consequently, a healthy diet is to take care of our body with using the organic and inorganic molecules.